Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Toyota Sienna XLE. This 4-door van has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 153,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.